My name is Clancy. I am with GoGo's real estate team brokered by eXp Realty. I have been in the real estate business full-time for just over 2 years now. I initially got started into real estate. It kind of stems back to when my parents first bought their home. I will never forget my sister and I have the most vivid memories of my sister and I running up and down the stairs, arguing over bedrooms, who's gonna have the bedroom with the walk-in closet, and just seeing the pride and joy homeownership brought my parents is something I will never forget. And then finding out I could have a career in real estate and provide people with that same experience and that same joy, that's initially what sparked my interest in real estate. I first started partnering with Allen Edwin pretty early on in my career. I was really interested in the new construction process and what it could offer my clients. I met with a sales rep and he really explained the process to me at length and was very knowledgeable about the new construction process, and it was a no-brainer at that point. I would definitely say the thing I most enjoy about working with Allen Edwin definitely has to be their high level of communication and customer service. I remember I had a client who was interested in the Allen Edwin community up in DeWitt, and this particular client had a ton of questions, some of which I didn't know the answer to, and I had to pull in a sales rep to help me answer those questions. And this particular rep actually got on a Zoom call with my client and I at 7 p.m. at night. And I believe we ended the Zoom call around like 9 p.m. So I mean, who do you know as a business partner of yours that would get on a Zoom for 2 hours with a client and answer all the questions that they have? Their level of service to their clients is truly unmatched. I think what has definitely brought my clients to Allen Edwin definitely has to be the quality of their homes and the efficiency the company has taking a client from start to finish. I love real estate because every day is different, every transaction is different. Last year I sold 30 homes and I felt like I learned something new on every single transaction, and it allows me to continue to learn and push to be a better real estate agent for myself and my clients. I think what sets my business apart from others definitely has to be the client experience I provide. I always push myself to go above and beyond for my clients. I have helped my clients pack and move into their new home, paint the inside of their properties, landscape the outside, you name it. My goal is to make the home buying or even selling process as smooth and stress-free as it possibly can be. In addition to, it's just so much more than a transaction to me. I personally like to stay in touch with my clients even after we close. I like to celebrate their birthdays, their wedding anniversaries, their home anniversaries, anything like that. But ultimately, I think it goes back to what my parents experienced when buying their first property, that joy and pride of becoming a homeowner. It's so great to see that smile on clients' face when they achieve the dream of homeownership. Allen Edwin helps me save time, definitely by providing a solution for my clients when they aren't finding what they want in the existing homes on the market. So instead of us seeing 5 to 10 properties before they're finding the perfect one, Allen Edwin allows them to choose a floor plan that is right for them, and they're maybe touring 1 to 2 model homes before making a decision, which allows the process to be much quicker and cleaner in the end. Allen Edwin has helped me grow my business exponentially by allowing me to make connections with business partners in the new construction industry, as well as giving an option that I can present my clients with, which has allowed me to give clients or many more people the option to become a homeowner. It is very easy to register clients or buyers with Allen Edwin. All you need is your name and your contact info, and you're in the system, good to go. I think I'll continue to use Allen Edwin in the future. Ultimately, it comes down to the quality of their homes, and their products are top tier, as well as just the customer service that I mentioned before. All my clients rave about Allen Edwin, and it's why I'll keep coming back to them.